It has been commented on a couple of times. There are not many tradies on a Brompton. My name is Millar Maxwell. I am an electrician. The day starts at 8 on site, and that could be anywhere in London. The Brom became basically the bike that I ride. I used a C Line before I had a G Line. I rode for a year from Catford to Notting Hill, all my tools on the front, you're just doing 30k round trip plus doing a physical job, and I was pretty knackered. But then I got a G Line. Every job has faff, no least in electrical work. At the moment you hate it, but actually it's very satisfying. It's problem solving, it's creative in its own way. It really is fundamentally getting yourself in a mess and getting yourself back out of a mess. Your day can be completely blocked by not having the thing. Pretty often I'm sent out and I can nip out on a Brom and I don't have to spend half an hour, 40 minutes walking there and back. It's a 10-minute trip. I couldn't do my job as I am doing it now without having specifically a folding bicycle. You have to get home, and a long commute can feel very short when you find a good route, even if it's a longer route. London, one of its real pros is that it's full of these green spaces, and I think having a Brom gives you access to capitalise on that. It's freedom.